What's up guys, my name is Bilal and this is your 13th Laravel 5 tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning something called What's up guys, my name is Bilal and this is your 13th Laravel 5 tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning something called partials. So far we learned a lot of great things about starting to use the Blade templating engine, and now in this tutorial we will be learning one more thing which is very similar to layouts, and it's called partials. So partials allow us to extract even further section within a layout or even within a part of our main page. So just look at it right now. So open your text editor. So we learned how to extend a file and how to use sections. But remember guys, you can use as many sections as you want depending upon your application, and also you can name them whatever you want. But here we named it as content. But we could have easily named it something else as long as they match. For example, in our main file, we have named it contents. But if we change it to something like body here, then we have to change this content to body as well. And now what we will be learning how to extract content further, and that is with partials. So let's come to our main. And now let's say if you think that this file is still clutter for your taste, so we can further break it up just to make it more organized and pretty. So we can take advantage of something called partials. This is basically you extract code out into its own file just to make it more organized and pretty. So let's create a new view by right clicking on this view folder and then new file, and we're gonna save it. And when we name partials, we commonly include an underscore before a name, and that underscore is not compulsory, but it's better to have it so that we can easily know that yes, this is a partial file. So I will put here underscore and then the name of the file, and I will name it as head.blade.php. Just save it. And now just come to your main file, copy this whole head, if I can do it. So cut it from there and paste it right here, and then just save it. And now we need to include this head file in our main. So we include it with a built-in function called include, and as a parameter type only the name of the partial we have just created, which was this underscore head. So just tap here, include, and the name of the partial which is head, and then just save it. And now we will create two more partial for this navigation bar, one for this navigation bar, and now we need to create two more partial, one for this navigation and the other one for the script. So just let's do it by right clicking on this view folder and then new file, and then just save it, and I will name it as underscore nav.blade.php. and now just go to a main file, cut this navigation tag from there and paste it right here, and then just save it. And now we need to include it as well. So underscore include and underscore nav. Now and now a new partial for the script. So again right click here, new file, and then just save it and name it as underscore javascript dot blade.php, and then just save it, go to a main file, cut it from there and paste it right here, and then just save it. And now we need to include our JavaScript partial as well. So include underscore JavaScript, and then just save it. So now everything looks very neat and clean. Let's just run it by starting our server first. And now we need to access our project from there. So my project is in C drive, which is inside this htdocs folder, and then the name of the project is Laravel 5. And now to run our server, and now to start our server, we have to type php artisan serve. And now our server has been started successfully. So now open your internet browser and type here this thing, and let's run our home page first. So everything still remain the same. So everything is working perfectly as it works before, but we have now cleaned everything. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Everything was simple. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.